Yo, good day guys. Yeah, at the moment we are here in Mount Kosciuszko. To be specific, here in Tridbo. And there's so many cars in here. A lot of people actually. Basically the station of the train or the sky tube that is going to the Perisher ski resort. I have been traveling for about 12 days now and so far so good. The challenges is probably finding a car park. Especially when I am in the city, free parking is a little difficult. But aside from that, there's no big problem. Oh, my battery. I mentioned to you before that my laptop's battery is not working very well anymore. Yeah, so I always need to plug it in to electrical outlet to be able to use. And I always need to use my laptop because I'm editing a video, and so yeah, battery is very important. Although my car's dual battery system is being charged when I am driving, but it is also supposed to be charged by the sun. Yeah, it has a solar panel, but just like this time it is cloudy and there is no sun, so it means yeah, it's not getting charged. That is why it is good to have an extra power station, and I have one actually. Let me show you this one. Yeah, this is my new power station. This is actually 7 kg, but yeah, it's not heavy, and the build quality, it's really good. You can see that. Yeah, and another thing that I like is this handle. They don't put it on the top so that you can put your mobile phone or anything. And here at the front, you're going to see there is this 3 USB-A and 1 USB-C to power your USB devices like your smartphone. It also has this power button for these 3 PowerPoint outlet. Then another outlet is this direct current outlet, basically a 12-volt outlet. There is also a power button to be able to use that. And this is the main power button. And it has this monitor where it is going to show you the different details about this EcoFlow RIVER 2 Pro. And another good thing is that it can actually be monitored using your mobile phone. And then on the side there is this ventilation, the same as the other side. But here at the back, this is where you are going to put the cable when you are going to charge it. Basically it comes with this regular PowerPoint cable. Yeah, just the regular house PowerPoint outlet. If you are in Australia, you have something like this or something like this, of course. Yeah, and yeah, it depends on the country. Another cable that comes with it is this one. If I am not mistaken, this one is used to be able to charge this power station using a solar panel. I don't have a connector to connect to the solar panel, maybe in the future. Those connector is actually also available in the website of EcoFlow. And because I have been traveling for 12 days now and I've never been to the hotel, and so this charger is the most used one. Every time that I am driving, I'm actually plugging it to my car's 12 volts outlet, switching on the engine of the vehicle, and it will start to charge. And sometimes I am using my battery 12 volt outlet to charge this. It actually charges very fast. Yeah, the first time I charged it was in my apartment. It's just fully charged already right after just over 1 hour. And now I'm going to charge it. And as you can see in here, it says that 546 input watts, 832, 854, so it's counting. Yeah, comparing to my previous power station, yeah, you need to charge it for 6 hours to be able to use. Yeah, and that is just 600 watts, no, just 300 watts. But this one, the capacity of this is actually 768 watt hour. It means that I am able to use it to power everything here in the van, even the home appliances like my microwave oven. And when I am cooking, I actually have the actual video of me cooking, preparing my food. Yeah, here is the video. And we are now here in the camping ground, and we're going to try all this kitchen electronics equipment, yeah, using this EcoFlow RIVER 2 Pro. Yeah, and of course the first thing that I'm going to do is to make a coffee. I already have a water here, and I just need to switch it on. It says 99 hours and it's 100% fully charged. Yeah, and then the AC power button, it is on already, and I plug it in here, and let's see, now it's on and it's going to boil the water. And another thing that I'm going to do is to cook a rice. And the water is boiling now, and it switches off by itself. So it goes to standby mode, but it is still working. Yeah. Actually, I want to see it. This kettle is actually 680 to 800 watts. And then this rice cooker is 200. If you remember, long time ago, I have this kettle. I used it with my previous power station, and it did not work. Yeah, because that power station that I had before is just 300 watts. So at the moment, it says 2 hours and 87% now. And it is consuming 229 watts output just using this rice cooker. Usually rice cooking, it lasts for about 15 minutes. And while waiting for this, I'm going to prepare the ingredients for the noodles that I'm going to cook. You notice that there is this indicator that it is working. That is power on. That is power on. And yeah, the rice is cooking still. Let's have a look. Yeah, it is amazing. It's very quiet. So 2 hours, it's 82% now, and the output is actually 229 watts using this. It is now 76% left the battery, and let's check. Oh, it's smoking here. Okay, I'm also now going to cook the noodles. And it's on. Yeah, I don't have any ingredients except this mixed vegetable, soy sauce, garlic, onion, and yeah, the noodles, pieces of eggs. This is how it is at the moment. Keeps on sliding. And then the EcoFlow RIVER 2 Pro, 23 minutes more, 53%, and it is actually using 804 watts output. Yeah, very nice. Amazing, it's good, it's ready. That's it, and I'm going to switch it off. After switching it off, it's now, the output is 119 watts. And if I remove this, 0 watts. And that's it. Yeah, very nice. So it's still 16 hours, maybe for charging a mobile phone or charging your laptop. But for cooking, it's amazing. And this is now my second box. And I want to sit next to this EcoFlow RIVER 2 Pro. It's amazing. It is already dark outside, but I don't want to do a fire. This is where we are going to get the electricity. Remember that my computer, the battery is not working very well anymore. That's why it is always need to be plugged in. It's 46%. And remember that it has a USB-C in here. And now it's charging. So my laptop is connected. Battery charger is connected and charging. And my Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra is charging also. And it is using 63 watts to all those three gadgets. And another thing that I'm going to plug in is the monitor. Yeah, because it's good to edit video when the monitor is big. It is now 5:41. And let's see. So 4 device is being powered by this EcoFlow RIVER 2 Pro. It is now 8 o'clock and yeah, it is still charging. Yeah, still the same, still using for charging the gadget. But it is now just 7%, and yeah, it will last for up to 21 minutes more. I have been waiting for a long time. It is actually already 9 o'clock. Yeah, 9:04. And yeah, just waiting for a 1 bar to make it fully charged. 2 batteries and the power bank. And yeah, it's still connected. My laptop and the monitor. Also this iPhone is charging. I am very sleepy now. So yeah, I'm going to unplug all of this. 1%. And it will last for 5 minutes. Unplug. Switch off. Switch off. Good morning, guys. So yesterday I used this EcoFlow RIVER 2 Pro for charging and cooking for about a total of 5 hours. Yes, basically almost 2 hours of cooking, and then in the night I did some of my computer things and charging all the gadgets, and at the moment it has 1% battery. I'm going to try if that's enough to boil the water. Turn it on. So as you can see, 1%. I'll power it on first, the AC, alternating current. Let's see. Oh no, it won't. It's 0% battery already. Okay. So I basically finished all the battery of this yesterday. And because of that, I'm going to use my car's battery. I don't know if you can hear the noise, but yeah, my power inverter is much noisier than this one. Also notice that this EcoFlow is very compact. Yeah, it has everything. Comparing that to my car's dual battery system, yeah, it looks much complicated. You need an auto electrician. Yeah. So I have this battery. I have this battery charger that is connected to the solar panel and connected to the car's battery. And I have this power inverter so that I'll be able to use 240 volts appliances, just like this, just like the rice cooker. Okay, we're going to leave this place now. And remember that this EcoFlow RIVER 2 Pro comes with the vehicle charger. Yes, basically I will be able to charge this power station using this cable. I just need to plug it in here. Okay, ready. Yeah, I'll just put it there. And then this one will go in here. Yeah. And it's switched on by itself, but it says 0%. And I'm going to switch on the engine. Let's check. Everything is okay. Yeah, but you know, I'm still here, but yeah, it already charged 1%. Very nice. And the input is 108 watts.